Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Nash and today we are going to sit down and we are going to create this St. Patrick's Day makeup look. Since St. Patrick's Day is on Saturday, I thought I would sit down and create a St. Patrick's Day makeup look. I don't usually dabble in green eyeshadows too often. This is something a little bit different that I don't usually play with or do. So if you're curious to see how I created this St. Patrick's Day look, keep on watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. If you do like makeup tutorials, I do them every once in a while, as well as makeup reviews, unboxings, things like that. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Otherwise, let's just go ahead and put on some St. Patrick's Day makeup. So to start the look off today, I'm going into my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette and just jumping right into that yellow shade right in the middle there. And I'm just taking that shade into my crease and upper crease just to start off the transition of the look. Because there's no green in the Huda Beauty palette, I'm going to jump into my Full Spectrum by Urban Decay palette, and I'm just going to pick up the shade Hater, and I'm going to start blending that into the crease and upper crease, just blending the two shades together. So just jumping back and forth between Full Spectrum and Electric Obsessions, I'm going to head back over to the Electric Obsessions palette and grabbing that turquoise shade in the bottom left corner, and I'm just going to use that to deepen up the eye look a little bit more, so blending that into the outer corner, inner corner, and then right into the crease, making sure to blend all the shades together. Once I have that down, I'm just going to go back in with the green, back in with the yellow, making sure everything is blended seamlessly. So here I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape to cut out the middle of the lid to create that halo effect on the center of the lid. So I go in with a hefty amount and then just tap it in with my brush. Once I have it kind of where I want it, I'll just take my fingertip and tap out the ends just to blend the outer edge of the cut crease. Once I have the lid exactly how I want it, I go back in with the green as well as turquoise color, and I just run that over the very top of where I cut the crease, and that'll just accentuate the top of the cut crease even more and just make it even more cut creasy, I guess you could say. Here I'm taking that green as well as the turquoise and running it in the outer corner and the inner corner just to blend into the center of the crease and just to mesh everything together so it looks like a nice ombre effect. Now for the lid, I'm going into the shade Mean from the Full Spectrum palette. I'm just going to drag that onto my lid and then start to tap it and blend it in, and then just going back and forth with the green shade and the turquoise shade just to make sure everything is blended seamlessly together. So here I'm just going to jump off camera and I'm just going to apply my mascara and my lashes and the rest of my face, and then we'll come back and finish off with highlight and all that kind of fun stuff. So this is the holographic highlighter palette by Naked Cosmetics, and I'm going in with the green shade just to highlight my face with that. It's not super green. In certain lights it'll come off a little bit more green than others, but it's just a nice shade just to kind of tie the green look together. Lastly, for my lips, I'm going into Galactic Lip Paint in Posh, and it's just kind of like a peachy nude shade. I thought it really complemented the eyes really well, so I'm just going to go in and coat my lips with that. And then to finish off the look, I'm going into my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray just to finish everything off and make sure it lasts all day. Alright you guys, and this is the completed St. Patrick's Day makeup tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I do post a new video every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel, so you don't want to miss out on that. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.